If the freezer door handle on your Whirlpool refrigerator is damaged or bent, here's how you can fix it. If you need to buy a new freezer handle, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To replace the handle, loosen the 2 set screws with a 1/8 inch hex key or Allen wrench on the door handle. These are located near the ends and bottom of the handle. When shopping for a new freezer door handle, be sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you get the correct part. To install the freezer handle, align it to the shoulder screws, making sure the set screws are facing towards the bottom of the fridge. Firmly press the handle against the door and tighten down both set screws. So that's it for this video. If you learned something new, hit that like button. And if you enjoy fixing things, please consider subscribing.